This memorial educates us all about the risks associated with our chosen profession. While many have fallen in the line of duty, we are blessed to continue the mission. Let's be clear, we will always work together to support each other through the traumas we face. We stand here united in our uniforms. Some may vary in color, fabric, or style, but collectively, we remember and honor those who selflessly served the community with us at the ultimate price. After we bow our heads in remembrance, we will raise them and stand tall. We swore an oath, knowing that it may cost us our lives and that we could leave our loved ones behind. This is a pledge that demands great sacrifices. It's often said that enduring prolonged exposure to traumatic experiences can be incredibly damaging. No human being is truly equipped to navigate this, but somehow we find a way to forge forward. What causes me the most pain, and what we often overlook, is that after completing our tour of duty, once we remove our uniforms and symbols of rank, we must remember that, like our fallen officers and deputies, we are first and foremost human beings. We are fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, godparents, friends, grandmothers, grandfathers, who experience both pain and joyous moments while continuing to serve and protect others. We arrive with the weight of our fallen in our hearts and minds, yet we still answer the call. We arrive with terminal illnesses and still answer the call. We arrive with chronic pain and injuries, yet we still answer the call. We arrive affected by trauma, and we still answer the call. We arrive knowing there is sickness, trauma, and pain in our homes, and we still answer the call. We arrive not knowing if we will return home, yet we still answer the call. To the families, friends, and loved ones of those who we have lost, please know that the sacrifices made by our heroes will never be forgotten. They will continue inspiring, guiding, and reminding us of our calling. Your pain is our pain. Your loss is our loss. We will always stand by you, honor the legacy of our fallen, and ensure their bravery and service are remembered always. As we depart today, let this remind us why we chose to serve. Together, we stand firm and unwavering, honoring the past, protecting the present, and preparing for the future with courage and faith in our shared mission. Thank you.